Our BitRivate's private sale is sold out already. Although the sale is still open for 3 days, we are already sold out. Welcome to today's video, guys. Today I'm going to recap the last couple of days or the last week on PEAKDEFI on the PEAKDEFI Launchpad, because there were some claiming issues and I want to give you the real reason, the real truth behind all those delays and why we had these issues and claiming delays. And also I will talk about the BitRivate's private sale, why it's already sold out, but how you can still invest if you're whitelisted. And I will talk about A-Note, how to claim with the tokens that are now unlocked. So let's jump into it. First of all, we're going to check out BitRivate's, because this private sale is already sold out. We already raised 105%, like $105,000 from the 100,000. And if we check it out, the sale is still open for 2 days, 23 hours, 39 minutes as recording of this video. So if you are whitelisted for the sale, you can still buy up your allocation, because then the pool will just get bigger. And then if you buy more than your reserved allocation, then your extra money will go into a pool with all the other money that is already extra in the pool from the previous investors who already bought up their allocations. And then at the end, all the remaining allocations from participants who do not participate, this remaining allocation will be split between all those people who still have money in the pool because they overpaid. And if at the end you bought up your reserved allocation and you bought up all the allocation that the smart contract gave you after the sale ended, and if you still have money left in the pool, then you will be able to claim back your money. So nothing is lost. Even if you deposit $50,000 now, you will get a huge allocation, but you will also get your money back, which is not being used for buying the tokens. So BitRivate's very famous or very popular project. I really like the project, the idea behind it. Play to earn 4 different platforms or 4 different games combined in one platform. I really like it. The TGE is supposed to be end of April, May 2024, so in a couple of weeks. We will keep you updated on our Twitter and Telegram group for more updates. So just follow us on Twitter, join our Telegram group, and then you will get all the important updates you need for the BitRivate sale. And now I want to talk about the issues that we had with Sugar Kingdom Odyssey. Because we had some claiming issues here. I know, I apologize for that again. I want to give you the real truth behind it. To be honest, our developers team is partly from Ukraine, and as you know, Ukraine is going through a war right now, or for the last couple of years, it's going through a war. So the situation for our developers is good. They can work, they are reliable, they have a stable internet connection, everything is fine, but sometimes there are emergencies. And our lead developer, who's also from Ukraine, he had an emergency in his family, so he wasn't available for a couple of days. And the other developers who would pitch in, they didn't get the properly information that he is going to have an emergency. And that is why there were some delays, because he was preparing the smart contract for the deployment of the Sugar Kingdom tokens. And then he just wasn't he didn't contact us anymore for a day. And then the other developers had to jump in. But since they had to go through his code and they were not prepared for the situation right now in this emergency, that's why there was some delay. This is the real truth, to be real honest. And we have taken measures in the future to prevent this, because now all the time there will be multiple developers on the code. So if one breaks with an emergency way, we will still have a second developer who's informed with the code, who knows what's going on, so that he can inform others to pitch in, and then we can work faster in the future and without any issues. But because we had this issue with the first launch of the TGE claiming, that is why Sugar Kingdom Odyssey only sent us a fraction of the tokens for the private sale, and these tokens went into the claiming contract for the TGE tokens. And now the daily vesting still had another issues with some delay, because they didn't send us all the tokens. So we're still waiting for the remaining tokens to put them in the smart contract, and after that the vesting will work regularly. Our developers checked everything, the smart contract is working fine, everything is working fine. It was just a 3 days delay to deploy the claiming smart contract, but everything is working fine. So you have no issues at all right now. People already started claiming. If you cannot claim right now, just wait a couple of hours and then you will be able to claim the remaining daily vested tokens until Sugarcane and Odyssey sends us all the tokens. We will put them in a smart contract, and then everything will work out perfectly from now on. And because we had all these issues with our developer from Ukraine, we decided to pay out a 16% compensation. This compensation was already paid out. I posted it in the Telegram group. Like every investor from Sugarcane and Odyssey, even if they claimed now or if they didn't claim, it doesn't matter. Every investor got 16% of his investment in USDT as a compensation airdropped to his wallet already. This happened yesterday, so everything is fine regarding that. We apologize again for all these circumstances. I hope that you can understand that there's a situation in Ukraine going on, and our lead developer was from Ukraine or is from Ukraine. He's back now, everything is safe, but we apologize again. But now let's go to Anode, because Anode also had the TGE unlocking for the first tokens. And here, some customers report that if they connect their wallet, they do not see their tokens here listed, because if you participate at a project, you will have a fourth window over here, which says your allocation, and then you click on that, and then you can start claiming. And some customers report that they cannot see this window. So in order to see this window is first, disconnect your wallet, empty your cache, and empty your cookies, go to the Launchpad website, but you have to choose BSC network first with Trust Wallet or MetaMask or whatever wallet you're using to connect to our platform. Choose Binance Smart Chain first, then go to the website PEAKDEFI Launchpad, connect your wallet while you have BSC activated, and then if you were whitelisted and if you bought up your allocation, then you will see this window over here. You have to be connected with BSC. And after that, when you're here and you want to claim the tokens, before you click on claim, then you have to switch to Polygon, because Anode is going to be a Polygon based token. So you have to activate the Polygon wallet. But in order to be detected as an investor, you have to choose BSC first. So first choose BSC, after that switch to Polygon, and then you can click on claim, and then you will get all your tokens. Everything works fine. There were just a few customers who didn't check that they had to use BSC first to connect their wallets, but after that they were able to claim. There was no delay with the TGE of Anode token. There was no delay with the claiming, so everything worked fine from the beginning, from the go. It was only SKO where there was some delay. So if you invested in Anode, feel free to claim all your tokens that you are able to claim now. Now there's a 2-month cliff after the TGE, and then the vesting starts for another 11 months linear as written down here. So you can claim 12.5% right now, then you have to wait for 2 months, and then the daily vesting starts where you can click claim on a daily basis. Yeah, this is the current information about BitRabbits, about Sugarcane and Odyssey, and about Anode. If you have any more questions, write them down below in the comments. And again, I hope you enjoyed your weekend. I hope you enjoy all the tokens that you're getting now from the PEAKDEFI Launchpad or the future tokens for BitRabbits. And we will see us in the next video. Bye bye.